All right, we're back. We got a haul today from Orbitkey. So I was in contact with them. I asked them if they'd be willing to send anything to help give some content to the channel, and they obliged. So they sent me the 2-in-1 Tech Accessory Pouch and the Orbitkey Key Organizer Pro. First, we'll go over the tech bag. So this is made out of PU laminated material, so it's supposed to be water resistant. It has water resistant zippers. I'm not sure who makes the zippers. They don't appear to be YKK or anything, but they seem to open and close very well. It is made from recycled materials. It has these nice grab handles. This being the 2-in-1. It has the removable desk pouch, and again, water resistant zippers, but it is not the same PU coated material on the outside. And this has 2 compartments in it, each with a little bit of organization, a couple of nice stretchy elastic bits, 3 different ones in the front and 2 larger ones in the back. On the other side has these 3 nice little mesh pockets and a pen loop at the top, and it's fairly decent size. As for the bag itself, I believe this is meant to be like foldable. Maybe not. I don't know. But it has 2 pen loops up top, 2 mesh pockets on this side, 2 nice slip pockets there, 2 smaller slips in the middle divider here for business cards or whatever, and then 3 mesh pockets, and this is the side that the desk pouch would sit in. On the outside, it does have this other large pocket as well. This part here does detach, and you can take that out and then have one larger pocket if you wanted less organization, or if you had something bigger that you wanted to fit in there.
That's what she said.
I personally like the divider. I do not like this little dividing system that they've decided to use. If you look, it looks exactly like a bobby pin. Now there's risk of anything you put in this front pocket being scratched by that thing. It's metal, it's not exactly dull, it has a sharp edge on it, so I don't necessarily like that. I wish it opened a little further. They have this webbing stitched in pretty tight, but at the same time, at least this way it's not flopping all over the place. This is the terracotta color, which I absolutely love. This is such a nice color. It's not just a black bag. It's nice and easy to spot inside a dark bag as well. The only other gripe I have with this bag is the zipper is a one-way zipper. It doesn't have a 2-way zipper, which it'd be nice so you could open it just a bit, maybe grab something out. But this, you actually have to open it the whole way to get it open. First world problems, I suppose, but designed in Melbourne and made in China, and it costs about 100 Canadian, which is 70 US, give or take. Moving along, we have the Orbitkey Key Organizer Pro, the updated version of their classic key organizer, and this is made with Napa leather, a tool-free design this time, and it has almost like a ratcheting system, so you can micro-adjust the tension on the keys, which is really nice. And it also includes this little quick flip tab for your most used key. That is fantastic. I love that feature on this. Again, designed in Melbourne, made in China, and it also costs $100 Canadian, 71 or 70 US. Stainless steel hardware. This is the cedar color. I don't know if you can make it out. There is a slight little etched Orbitkey branding there, and on the top of the D-ring as well. This organizer will carry 3 to 9 standard keys, they say. I have 4 in here, and it has plenty of room. It's about 3.6 inches long, 0.8 inches wide. I was gonna put my fob on there. I just did a little, or snake knot, I believe this is, lanyard. I was worried about this finish on the stainless steel hardware not holding up, but I already put a couple of D-rings through here, or split rings, just to see, and it scratched a bit, but it hasn't removed any of the finish. It's still the same color, which is fantastic. This thing will patina up, I think, in time as well, and look really nice. I have actually really enjoyed using this thing. As you can tell, it doesn't rattle at all. Big thank you to Orbitkey for sending me over this stuff to review. If you guys like videos like this, please remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Wolverine!